The Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 are currently the two greatest foldable smartphones out in the market. In spite of having almost similar specification, the Galaxy Z Fold costs around $500 more. Even though 99% of us have no plan of buying one of these phones, let's just put them side by side and find out how Xiaomi does almost everything better but cheaper. The price of Galaxy Z Fold 4 starts at $1,800 and the Mix Fold 2 starts from $1,335. The main display on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is 7.6 inches Dynamic AMOLED, and in the Mix Fold 2 you get a bigger 8.02 inches LTPO2 OLED display. Both the displays can refresh up to 120Hz and have support for HDR10+. Here, Samsung beats Xiaomi in terms of screen brightness by 100 nits and also has the edge of having a higher screen-to-body ratio. Both the displays are interruption-less, meaning there is no camera cutout inside it, even though the Galaxy Z Fold has an under-display camera hidden inside the main display. But overall, I think the main display category will go to Xiaomi simply because it has a bigger display. And if you don't care about the extra 0.5 inches diagonally, then Galaxy Z Fold 4 is the device to go for. And when it comes to cover display, again Xiaomi will take the cake because it has a display of 6.56 inches of AMOLED screen, which is bigger than 6.2 inches on the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Also, the resolution is a bit higher too. So overall, in the display department, I think the Mix Fold 2 has a very slight advantage over the Galaxy Z Fold 4. But what about the cameras? This is where the Samsung device shines. First of all, you get an extra 4 megapixel under display camera which will let you do video calls on the bigger main screen. But in the Mix Fold 2, there is no such option. And in the main camera module, the lenses are quite similarly spec'd, but we all know that Samsung will perform better simply because of their years-long machine-learned software that'll pull out a better shot in almost every scenario. But on the Mix Fold 2, you get 8K 30fps shooting, which is absent on the Galaxy Z Fold. But that will not make its camera system necessarily better than the Galaxy Z Fold 4, because in real-life scenarios, you will probably never need to shoot in 8K resolutions. And the selfie camera on the cover screen, the Mix has a higher resolution camera, but I would give it to the Samsung again because 1 megapixel count doesn't matter, 2, it has a wider lens. So overall, in the camera department, I think Samsung wins it by a fair margin. But then again, in the battery department, both have similar capacity, but the Mix Fold 2 wins it for faster charging speed. The 4400 mAh battery on the Z Fold 2 will take around 75 minutes to get fully charged at 25 watt, but the 4500 mAh battery on the Mix Fold 2 takes only 40 minutes to get fully charged at the 67 watt fast charging support. But if wireless and reverse wireless charging matters for you, Galaxy Z Fold 4 is the device to go for, because in the Mix Fold 2 you simply don't have it. You get the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 on both the devices, so no comparison there. But as GPU, you get a slightly better Adreno 730 with the Mix Fold 2 instead of Adreno 670 on the Galaxy Fold 4. But overall, the performance is likely to be very same, so it's a draw for me. And in the software department, I would like to give it to the Samsung device because of two reasons. 1. MIUI is not reliable, may bless you with bugs over time. 2. The new Windows-like taskbar will make the bigger screen more useful for the people who want to do multitasking in the Galaxy Z Fold 4. But in the unboxing experience, Xiaomi once again wins it because it provides you with two luxurious cases and a charging adapter which Samsung simply doesn't. So guys, what do you think of the new two foldables? Does the Galaxy Z Fold 4 holds up with Galaxy Z Fold 4 even after priced at almost $500 cheaper? Let's talk about that in the comment section. Also, I have a giveaway running in my channel right now. Follow the description to enter it. And as always, thanks a lot for watching. Asha kori, abaru dekha hobe.